Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung S23 if you forgot your PIN or password, pattern, whatever you have. You can wipe it, but please do remember this will wipe all your data from your phone and you will have to remember your credentials for your Google account. Otherwise you won't be able to activate the phone, as it will ask for it when you're trying to activate your phone. So let's make a start. For this you're going to need a data cable, which is going to have to be plugged into a laptop computer. Plug your cable in. So if you're trying to turn your phone off, you won't be able to turn your phone off, as it will ask for the code or pattern, whatever you have. That's why we're plugging the data cable in. So at this point you hold down the volume down and the power button until the phone goes off. Keep holding, keep holding. Now as the phone goes off, switch your finger to the volume up, but keep holding the power button as well. Keep holding for a few seconds. Keep holding, keep holding. Now release the power button, but keep holding the volume up. And there we are. This phone goes in recovery mode. At this point you can remove the cable, and using the volume buttons, volume up and down, you navigate through this menu. So what you want to do is navigate to wipe data factory reset. Here you will select this option by pressing the power button shortly. Once again, go selecting factory data reset. Confirm with the power button and your phone is all wiped. You can just reboot your system now and wait for it to come on and reactivate and start using your phone again. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.